I just got a $100 gift card for finally escaping payroll hell. Here's how you can too. Click the link in the description below to grab your discount and that sweet $100 bonus. Look, if you're a small business owner still wrestling with payroll every month, I feel your pain. Gusto is this cloud-based platform that basically does all the payroll nightmare stuff for you. We're talking automatic tax filings, employee benefits, HR management, the whole shebang. No more staying up late trying to figure out state tax rates or panicking about compliance deadlines. Gusto handles over 300,000 businesses, so they've pretty much seen every payroll disaster imaginable. Plus, they've got this cool Gusto wallet thing where your employees can get paid faster and manage their money better. The best part? You literally save hours every month, avoid costly mistakes, and right now you get that $100 gift card just for making the switch. Seriously, click that link below and thank me later when you're not crying over payroll spreadsheets anymore.